How to change your name on Messenger. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Messenger on your device. Then click on three lines at the bottom right corner of your screen, which will open this page. Click on Settings at the top. After you've clicked on Settings, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, scroll down to See More in Account Center. Click on Profiles, which is the first option at the top. Then select your Facebook account. Then, in here, click on Name. You will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, change your name as you want. After you have changed your name, click on Review Change at the bottom. After you click on Review Change, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Save Changes. After you choose how your name will appear, and then you're good to go. This is how to change your name on Messenger. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for